Hey guys, this is Mike over at Mountaintop Motor Company, located right out here in Troy, Missouri, 617 John Deere Drive. Today we're going to take a walk around our 2012 Dodge Ram 2500, equipped with the 6.7 liter Cummins engine, also a 6-speed manual. Let's take a look at it. This truck has right at 152,000 miles. Overall, pretty clean truck. Let's take a look at the inside. Interior is all in great shape. You got your built-in trailer brake control system. Built-in exhaust brake. You get your four-wheel drive on the floor. Once again, 6-speed manual transmission. Cruise control. You got your keyless entry. For more information on this beautiful truck, give our sales team a call at 636-356-1020, or also feel free to get on our website and check out the rest of our inventory at www.mountaintopmotors.com. Thanks for watching.